I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, where I climb Korean one clear rung at a time.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. 오늘은 나이와 시간에 쓰는 고유어 10단위를 같이 익혀봐요.
안녕하세요. 저는 준호예요. 나이와 시간에 쓰는 수를 차근차근 연습해 볼게요.
Okay, real beginner panic. I learned 20 for 20, but then someone asked my age and said 20살, which 20 is right.
좋은 질문이에요. 20 is Sino-Korean 20. For age, Korean usually reaches for the native form 20살.
오늘의 패턴은 고유어 10단위예요. In English, these are the native Korean tens you need for age, clock hours, and many counters.
열, 스물, 서른, 마흔. In English, 10, 20, 30, 40. Keep each one short and clear.
그리고 쉰, 예순, 일흔, 여든, 아흔. In English, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
Let me try the first four. 열, 스물, 서른, 마흔.
좋아요. 쉰 is short. Do not stretch it into English 50.
And the rest. 신, 예순, 일흔, 여든, 아흔.
좋아요. Now the important short form for age before 살, 스물 becomes 스무.
들어보세요. 20살이에요. In English, I am 20 years old.
So, 20살이에요. The age form is shorter than 스물.
맞아요. 30살, 40살 keep their full tense. In English, 30 years old, 40 years old.
Keep this card in your head. Before 살, 스물, changes to 스무. That is the irregular form beginners need.
시간에도 고유어를 써요. 1시, 10시. In English, 1 o'clock, 10 o'clock.
날짜나 전화번호는 한자어 수가 더 자주 나와요. But for clock hours and age, native Korean is the everyday choice.
Got it. Age and clock hours. Native tens. Phone numbers and dates. Leave those for Sino later.
Now a short dialogue. Hana asks my age. Then we pick a meeting time.
준호 씨는 20살이에요?
아니요, 30살이에요.
몇 시에 만나요?
2시에 만나요.
들으셨죠? 30살이에요. In English, I am 30 years old.
So Juno is not 20살. He answered with 30살이에요.
이제 따라 해보세요. First hour, 10시예요.
10시예요.
좋아요. Now age. 20살이에요.
20살이에요.
Common mistake time. English speakers often keep full 스물 and say 20살이에요.
So the trap is 20살이에요. That is the one I want to say first.
고칠게요. Natural Korean is 20살이에요. Before 살, drop that final 리을 from 스물.
완벽해요. That is the natural age form.
21살 is 21 years old. Keep 스물, add 한, then 살.
Same shortening idea appears with hours. Before 시, 둘 becomes 두. So 2 o'clock is 2시, not 둘시.
천천히 말해볼게요. 2시. In English, 2 o'clock.
2시. Same kind of shorten before counter move as 20살.
Quiz. You want to meet at 2. Which line sounds most natural?
I think A. 2시에 만나요. Because C needs the short form to.
정답이에요. A is natural. 2시에 만나요. In English, let's meet at 2 o'clock.
One more check. Someone asks your age at 20. Which answer sounds natural?
A. 20살이에요. B keeps full. 20. And C uses sino 20.
맞아요. A is the natural age answer. 20살이에요. 오늘의 핵심을 정리해요. 10부터 90까지가 고유어 10단위예요. In English, from 10 through 90 are the native Korean tense.
나이와 시간에는 고유어 수를 써요. 사람 in English, use native Korean numbers for age and clock hours.
살 앞에서는 스물이 스무로 줄어요. In English, before 살, 스물 shortens to 스무.
시 앞에서는 둘이 두로 줄어요. In English, before she, 둘 shortens to 두.
Today's keeper sentence is 저는 20살이에요. I am 20 years old.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 저는 20살이에요. In English, remember this one sentence. I am 20 years old.
수고하셨어요. Keep counting up the ladder and we will see you on the next rung.